Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the MCQs which are based on lesson number 1 information technology and lesson number 2 that is database management system for standard 11th commerce science arts students. So let us start with the first question. Dash is a raw fact. So the answer here will be a data. So a data is always a raw fact which is unprocessed. Next question. Dash is a processed data. So whenever we process a data, the data is converted into information. So option C, information is the right answer. Next question. Dash is the collection of interrelated data. So options are database, tuple, information. So database is a collection of interrelated data. Next question. The dash rule in database means only authorized users can access a database. So here we have the options like privacy, grant and revoke. Now grant and revoke are the commands which we see in DCL. So grant is the command which we give to the user to give him the rights or to make him an authorized user. So grant will be the right answer. Next question. Dash means that the data is accurate and consistent in the database. So the options are sharing of data, data integrity and redundancy. So here the right answer is data integrity, which means that your data is accurate and the data is consistent. Next question. Dash can be any character, text, word, number or a raw fact. So this is a perfect definition of data. So the answer is option B, data. Next question. Dash is data formatted in a manner that allows it to be utilized by human beings in some significant way. So the options are data, information, technology and information. Whenever we process a data, it gets converted into information. So an information is nothing but it is a type of data which is formatted in a manner which allows us to make some specific decision on it. So it's information. Next question. Dash involves all of the technology that we use to collect, process, protect and store the information. So here the answer is information technology. With the help of this we can collect, store, process the data and information also. Next question. Dash refers to how a computer system is designed and how it works. So a computer system requires hardwares, those are the physical devices, as well as the softwares which are some system softwares. Okay, so all together is considered as computer architecture. So computer architecture is nothing but it is a type of system designed. Next question. Dash is the set of physical components that a computer system requires to function. So the options are computer software, computer hardware, computer storage. So whenever in the question a physical word comes, so physical things are the things which we can touch, we can see and we can take a feel of it. So the right answer is option B, computer hardware. Next question. Dash user should not be allowed to access the database. So you have the options like authorized, unauthorized and granted. So the right answer is unauthorized. So the unauthorized user is not allowed to access the database. Next question. Dash holds a fixed length of string. So you have options like char, varchar and string. Now we use char and varchar to save the string. So char is used to store the fixed length of the string. And the next question is dash holds a variable length of string. So that is varchar, which stores a variable length of string. Next question. The dash of database is known as a model. So the options are network structure, logical structure and hierarchical structure. So the logical structure or the hierarchical structure, all of them comes under the database model, but most probably the answer will be logical structure. Next question. Dash is used for storing integer value. So you have the options like numeric, decimal, int So the right answer is int. Next question. Dash is a set of instructions or program instructing a computer to do a specific task. So the options are software, hardware, system unit. So the right answer is software. Software is nothing but a program or a set of instructions which tells the computer to do some specific task or to complete some specific work. Next question. Dash is often measured in megabytes, that is MB, and gigabytes, that is GB. So the options are memory, CPU, and hard drive. So we always measure the memory in GB, MB, TB. Next question. Computer software can be classified in total dash types. So the computer software is classified in two types, that is application software and system software. Next question. Dash software is code free software and available free to copy and modify. So the options are closed source, source code, and open source. So the software which is openly available, it is free of cost. Such type of software are called as open sourced software. Whereas the next question is Dash software is having proprietary rights with the developers and are paid ones. So the options are closed source, open source, and source code. So there are so many softwares which are available in the market as well as in the Play Store. We have to pay for them, then and then only you can use it. Such softwares are called as closed source software. Next question. Dash holds the date including day, month, and year. The options are int, date, and time. So we all know that in the date we have day along with month and year. So the data type will be date. Next question. Dash are shown vertically in the table. So always inside a table, the vertically representations are of columns and the horizontally representations are of rows. Next question. Dash ensures that all the operations within the work unit are completed successfully. So here the options are isolation, consistency, and atomicity. So atomicity is only the operation which makes sure that your transaction is totally completed, and after completion it should be successfully completed. So that is the condition in the case of atomicity. Next question. Dash ensures that the database properly changes the states upon a successfully committed transaction. So the options are isolation, consistency, and durability. So the right answer is consistency. So this is also a property of transaction. Next question. The word computer is derived from a Latin word dash. So the options are computer, computerate, and compute. So the right answer is computer. Next question. It accepts the data or instructions is called as dash. So you have the options like output, input, and storage. So the right answer is option B, input, because input always accepts the data as well as instructions from the user. Next question. ATM machine is a dash device. So the options are input, output, and storage. So basically ATM machine is an input device. Next question. CPU has dash devices. So you have the options like input, output, and processing. So CPU is neither input device nor output device. It is an processing device. Next question. Dash part of CPU performs arithmetic calculations. So the right answer is option C, that is ALU, that is arithmetic logical unit. Next question. The dash is the basic data storage unit in a relational database. So you have the options like record, table, database. So the right answer here is table, because table is only the basic storage unit where all the data is stored inside the database. Next question. Dash is a free and an open source operating system provided by Google. So the options are Android, Asha, and BlackBerry. So the right answer here is it is an Android system which is freely available and an open source operating system which anyone can use. Next question. Operating system is an example of dash. So the options are system software, application software, open software. So the right answer here is that operating system is an example of system software. Next question. Write an SQL command to create a table. So whenever we require to create a table, we create a table with a create table query. Now the next section is MCQ with two correct options. So here the first question is internet protocols. So you have the options like PING, FTP, MP3, IMAP and MAP. So the right protocols, internet protocols are FTP, that is file transfer protocol, and IMAP protocol. Next question. These both work on information. So the options are information technology, that is IT, and information communication technology, that is ICT. Next question. DDL commands are dash and dash. So the DDL command, that is data definition language commands, are create and alter. Next question. The dash and dash key are used in DBMS. So in the DBMS we require two keys. First is primary key and second is the foreign key. Now the next section is filling the blanks. So the first question is dash command modifies a table. So to modify a table you require an alter command. Next question. Dash extracts data from a table. So to extract a data from a table you require a select command. Next question. Apple Corporation registered OS is dash. So the registered OS of Apple is Mac OS. Here the answer is MSE Mac capital OS. Next question. A dash is composed of fields and contains all the data about one particular person. So here the right answer is row, because when all the fields come together a row is created. It is also called as record. Next question. Dash enables transactions to operate independently of and transparent to each other. So this is one of the property of transaction, and the right answer is isolation. So this is one of the property of transaction. Next question is match the pairs. So the first match the pair is IMAP, and IMAP is a protocol. So protocol is the right answer. Next is unique. So unique, the primary key is called as a unique key. Next question. DML. So which is a DML command? So the DML command is a select command. Next question. Delete matches to. So delete is an DML command. So this is all about the MCQs, filling the blanks, which are based on lesson number 1 and 2. Thank you for